Hi folks, welcome to Module 3. This week we're going to be talking about health governance, a roadmap to health equity and social justice, so I hope you're excited for that. In doing so, we're going to kind of focus on describing what governance is, describing what health governance is, comparing ways of evaluating health governance, and then affecting change in health governance systems. So the tools that you'll have for this week are 3 videos, each about 15 minutes each, and they will kind of guide you through the first one, what health governance is and what governance is. The second one, diving a bit deeper into a fourfold framework of understanding governance. And then part 3 focuses on evaluation and affecting change in health governance systems, particularly through evaluation. Make sure you do the activities that are included in the videos, especially those around evaluating health systems and doing the activities to actually dive a bit deeper and look at the kind of 4 evaluation tools that we introduce in the video so that you can kind of get a working sense of what they are, what they measure, and what they reflect back on governance. And there's some prompts in the video to help you do that. We've also got the PowerPoint slides here so that you don't have to keep watching the videos over and over again to try to get a good understanding of the module content, and the Module 3 companion workbook. I'll pull that up for you. In the Module 3 companion workbook, you want to be able to look at the learning activities. Now there are learning activities for each part of this week's module, and you can choose from whichever one you want and do just one of the learning activities, and then take that and talk about your experience in doing that in the forum. There are also some optional discussion boards available to us if we want to have some conversations around the concept of what are rights and what are emergence rights and developing rights and thinking about how rights fit into governance. And I think that would be really fun. We can create other discussion boards if we find that we want to talk about other things. Also provide feedback on Module 3. That'll give me a chance to address any questions that you might have that kind of need to be addressed overall for anyone. And so if you do have a question this week, make sure that you post it on a discussion board so that we can have an answer that is kind of given to everyone so everyone's kind of on the same page. And then looking ahead for next week, we have Assessment 1. And so Assessment 1 will introduce you to again, those kind of 4 evaluation frameworks that you're going to be diving and looking at, and it will give you a scenario. And I've designed one scenario for each track. You don't have to use the one for your track. You can, do what you want and explore what you want, but we can take those scenarios, and then you're basically going to write a brief as if you're writing for an executive director on which of the 4 frameworks that they should choose to kind of fulfill the needs of their evaluation as described in these scenario options. And then there's a grading rubric, and so that gives you an idea of what you'll be graded on for that assignment. If you have any questions about that, feel free to look at the briefing note template, and also there is a module forum now open for questions about Assessment Module 1. And so I look forward to hearing from you in the discussion boards, and I hope you have a great week and that this material is accessible to you and works for you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you on the discussion boards. Okay, bye.